Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save TikTok video to gallery without posting. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a TikTok video. I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm just going to upload a random video from my gallery. Okay, for example guys, I'm going to upload this video. Okay, I'm going to create TikTok video with this one. So I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to go to the TikTok editing to edit my video. Okay, here we can use the TikTok tools to edit our video guys. You can add sound and then add sticker, effect, or up to you. I'm going to add sound, for example. Select add sound, and I'm going to add this sound from TikTok. Okay, now the song or the sound has been added, and then we'll be able to apply effect as well. You can choose the effect that you like. Okay, I'm just going to apply this one, and you can edit the TikTok video according to your needs with the TikTok tools. Okay, and wait, before I save this video, I'm going to add sticker as well guys. I'm gonna choose oops, sorry, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I'm going to place this sticker right here, and I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, and once you're ready to save this video to your device, you can go back to the section, and then I'm going to show you how you can save this video without posting it to TikTok. You can click on this icon guys, and then you're going to click on save with watermark to save the video without posting to the TikTok. Okay, now the video is being saved, and you just need to hold on. Just wait until 100%, and after that the video will be saved to your gallery with TikTok watermark. If you want to save without watermark, you need to post it, but if you want to save without posting the TikTok video, you can select the save with watermark, and then you can check the video in your gallery. Okay, this is the video we have just saved from TikTok. Okay guys, and that's all the way to save TikTok video to gallery without posting. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.